Hey, good morning, y'all. I'm running behind. I'm supposed to meet my brother at the lake this morning. Sun's already up. But we're going to get out, and I'm going to be fishing for bluegill mainly, just using light tackle and some red worms. He's probably going. He'll fish for bluegill with me as well, but he's probably going to try to catch him a bass or two. So I'm going to load up on this coffee and get out of here. So y'all come with us. Alrighty, y'all. Here's bait. Check these out. There. Don't break your rod, Johnny. Them some good ones. Alright, gonna get this on a hook and catch you some fish. There's probably 17 of them back there. Oh, got him. First one. Come here. It drag's a little weak. Ooh, there he is. That's what we're after. Big boy. I'll start filling that basket. Oh, there goes another one. We know there's two there. Get up here. Look at that feller. It's peeing. Pea pot. One I had. There he goes. Oh, yeah, buddy. Another good one. Big bluegill. Woohoo! Nice one. In the basket, he'll go. Man, there's one back there. Could smell him. There he goes. I smelt him. Ooh, that's a good one. I didn't really smell him. Just a lucky guess. Golly. Yeah, buddy, in the basket. Ooh, too much. Let's see if there's another one back there. Yep. Got him. Oh, get out of that grass. There. He listened. He ain't as big as the other one. Oh, that's a red ear. He's all right. Oh, quit. Throw him in the. I'm gonna throw him in this bucket right here where Matt's is. We'll throw him in the basket like that. There you go. Oh, there he goes. That's a good one. Oh, that's a big old red ear. Man, that's a good one. That makes your mouth water. Wow. All right, y'all, look at the size of this red ear. I didn't catch it, Matt did, but look at that thing. That's a monster. That's what we want. We'll take them smaller if we get them, but this is what we want. All right, we're gonna keep after him. Man, I'm getting really out of control here. Oh, there he. Oh, yeah. Another good one. Wow. Oh well, we're gonna eat him anyway. Looks like he swallowed it.
Sorry, little buddy. You're gonna run out of hooks.
All right. Yeah, buddy. He's having a fit. Oh. Oh.
Nope. He's on there.
Oh.
Wow.
He's an aggressive little guy. Yeah, that's what you get for catching the two biggest ones. You gotta catch the smallest one too.
Oh. Come back in there, little buddy. Oh, got it.
Ooh! Yeah! Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, buddy. Ooh! Nice one. Nice. That looked like a good time. Ooh. We was trolling across the lake and Matt's showing off, catching bass. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, buddy. There you go. Just grab. Oh, I about fell in laughing. That's a good one. Fat and healthy, huh?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. We trolled to the other side of the lake. Let me go over my rig real quick. This is a 8-foot ultralight Berkeley lightning rod. It says it's for trout fishing, but we're catching bluegill. And I've got a number 6. Well, my worm's on it, but a number 6 bait holder hook, little lead, little slip float. And I didn't have any bobber stops, so we just used rubber bands. But anyway, that's it. And Matt's catching bass on the buzzbait. And all right, we're gonna get back after them. Oh, there goes one. Got him. Well, he ain't no biggin', but we'll keep him for catfish bait. Yeah, buddy. Oh, I thought I had a bite. There he is. Oh, what the heck? I went to pull it in, thought I felt something grab it. Sure enough, catfish bait. There it goes. Oh, that one's a little bigger. Yeah, that's it. Eh, he might be an eater. We'll see how many more we catch, but we're gonna throw him in the bucket. Ooh, there he is.
Oh, this was bad. My pole
on the rooster tail. Nice one, little guy.
Oh, sorry.
He was a scrapper.
He was.
And let you sit right there. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Well, I was about to have a snack. But I got this guy. Oh. We got enough bait. We're going to let him go. Little fella. Ouch. He had to have the last word, didn't he? Get in there. Got him.
Bass, I think.
Yeah. I thought I got a glimpse of him. Woohoo, there he is.
Oh, don't get tangled up in my Oh, he's barely hooked.
Oh.
You can flop off. I don't care.
That'd be an easy release, huh?
He ain't big.
No.
He's fun on this part.
Bigger than what we've caught in the last hour. Dang treble hooks.
There.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, y'all. Well, we're loaded up and getting out of here. We had a pretty good morning. We caught a bass, we caught bluegill, we caught red ear, and we caught some small bluegill. I'm going to save for catfish bait for in the morning. But didn't get into the bluegill and red ear like I wanted to, but I still got enough for supper, I think. But anyway, like I said, we're going to get out of here. Hope y'all enjoy this video. If so, make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button for us. Y'all want to see more, hit subscribe. Thank y'all.